What's happening YouTube? It's your boy Tech TRX back now in the video, and today we are looking at the TS03 smartwatch. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can notify when this videos to come tips, tricks, and unboxing just like this one. Check out merch below at 1130.ca, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. So basically this is the TS03 smartwatch, and we're gonna test it out today and see what it looks like. This is the packaging right here. Very simple, very minimal, very nice as well. Let's just pull this out of the box here. Here we go. There's the smartwatch right there. The power adapter right there. And also the literature right back here. There you go. Let's put this away. Let's go ahead and take off the little plastic sticker in the front here. There you go. Now if you look at the website here of HAOQIN, basically you'll see that it's a very nice design, quite legit actually, and it even has features that the more expensive watches would have, and it even has the IP68 waterproofing, which is really good. You can use this for swimming. There's also the full day heart rate monitor, which is really good for people who are into fitness, or maybe you're just concerned about that. So here is the watch right here. We're gonna download this app called The Fit. Everything will be linked down below. Now let's go ahead and open the app and pair the device. Let's hit OK on the Bluetooth there and press allow. We're going to change the profile here to whatever we want. There we go. Now let's go ahead and add a device while using app. TS03 Plus right there. Let's hit pair, allow, and that's it. It's really cool. Now all the options here, if you want to change the watch faces, change the notification settings, alarm, shutter, and other, you can also upgrade it right here by upgrading the software right there. Let's look at the watch faces here. Takes a little bit of time to download it, as you could see there. There you go. Dial 3. If it's a brand new watch face there, it'll start to download it into the watch. So here, there's also shutter. If you want to take a photo, all you need to do is hit this and it'll take photos. Well, there are other settings right here. For example, if you hit find device, it'll start to vibrate the watch there. There you go. You can also have reminders to move for full day heart rate right there. Do not disturb. You can choose what time it starts and end time. Change the language, unit, format as well. There's also the quick view, valid period right there. Again, you could change the time right there. Any new notifications will go to your watch here as well. You can have a drink water reminder right there. Starting time or frequency of drink water. And then water interval. You can see the weather as well. Have a location right here. We're in Edmonton right now. Just put that right there. And then the physiological cycle reminder right there. Really helps you menstrual days and all that stuff. Now if you're looking at the watch here, like I said, it's pretty cool design, right? On the back here is a heart rate sensor right here as well. The charging spot right there. Magnetically, pretty cool. If you want to change the watch band, all you need to do is just like a little clip there, and then you just pull that out real easy. If you want to put it back, you just have to do the latch right there, and you're good to go. Do the same thing on the other side. Fit it on our wrist. What do you guys think of that? I actually think it fits very well. It's a different design as well. If you get an Apple Watch, usually it's a square off design. This is more of a circle traditional watch type of design. Turn it on is just a press of a button on the side, and then you get to interact with it, touch screen, so that's pretty cool. There you go. It does actually fit very well there. I am a pretty big guy, so pretty much max out there. This reminds me of like a watch. It's like the old G-Shock there. Now it does have the old shake to open there, so that's pretty cool. On the top, as you can see here, you'll see all this you'll see all the settings that we've placed on our app here. That's pretty cool. Change the brightness right there by tapping it. Very responsive as well. Right there, if you are in the theater, you just hit the cinema mode there, and then it'll dim the light for you as well. Pretty cool. There's also the shake, which is the rumble effect. If you get a notification, you can turn that on or off. There's also the weather right there. You can look at the weather from whatever day it is as well. Look at that. Very nice. Great addition for sure. Let's look at the settings here. There are stopwatches. You can add an alarm right there. Set an alarm. Timer. There's also the dimming. Change the brightness there as well. Now let's go back to the main screen. On the right side now, everything fitness will show up there. It'll show your steps there. It'll also track your sleep right here, as you can see. It'll give you the deep sleep, how many hours or how many minutes you got, and also how light sleep right there, how long you've got as well. And then it'll show you the total up here. It'll show you a graph and everything. And the BPM here shows you as well during your workout. Exercises you can start right there. Walking, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, whatever it might be. I'll be able to set it up right there. It'll also detect the BP right there. As you can see, I get notification as well from Twitter, Elon Musk. It'll show you the SpO2 there. There you go. There's the weather right there as well, and there's their shutter. It's the iPlayer if you want to play music. This is connected to your phone, so you'll be able to control your music here as well. Let's hit next. There you go. Next. You see that it's doing the previous now. And that's it. To go back home, all you need to do is hit the side there. Now let's go to the left side there, and now you can choose which one you want. There's sports, sleep, measure heart rate, training, and then the BP, SpO2, weather, shutter, player, and all that stuff. There's also the 2040 game. There you go. You get you stuck on your smartwatch there, if you know what I'm saying. As you can see here, it'll show you that there's a motion detected on my garage camera. So it'll show you that notification here as well. You can clear all once you are good to go. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new smartwatch. This is the TS03. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day. Stay grateful. Peace.